Okay, first things first, I'm gonna bring my over. I'm gonna start a timer. Good, okay. And now I'm going to figure out what I'm going to build. I'm going to first start with my blog. Okay. I'm gonna just do a bit of a experiment here. I'm gonna create a new node. Actually, I'm gonna just change this node as it is. Article. I'm gonna get rid of the image, get rid of that. I'm gonna leave this section, I guess. Although I could even just leave it like that. And then I'm just gonna actually edit the HTML. I'm just gonna do h1 hello world. There. No, escape actually cancels. h1 hello world. Click add. Okay. Hello world. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to not automatically inherit the styling, but it is fine. And then the idea is that I would also have another div below it. I would call it full screen. There would probably be a better emoji, like not emoji, a better what's it called? Photo booth. Just gonna make a tiny photo booth. Oh, glare in the background. That's fine. Tiny. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough for now. Okay. So the idea would be that I basically have a card like this, and it just has full screen. Interesting. I guess the padding for the article, yeah, there's no padding at the bottom. That's interesting. Ah, weird. Padding. That's interesting. I thought there would be. I don't know where that's coming from then. It doesn't matter. That's fine. That's good enough for now. The idea here. Okay, let's put this up there. Can I make this always stay on top? Okay, window. I haven't got a clear. It's fine. Boom. No, that's not what I wanted. It's too big. Okay, like that. That's fine. This is my timer. Oh, I can make that full. No, I just wanted to fill the window there. That's good enough. So full screen should take me to a full screen page. Fine. I think that's fine. So I want a card. Okay, now I want to change the style to be what? Font family. display. So yeah, there's article, font family display, hello world, full screen. Clicking on that should create a new page, and then clicking back, or there would be no back button, it would just go to this page again, hello world. Okay, that's fine. So how would I do this? Let us open up iTerm again, bring it here, there, clear, cd code metadata index. Okay. So now we have article, ID equals, the date is the 10th. Okay. Should put a string quotes around that. And then what I want is h1 ID, let's say class equals. And actually what I can do is do some custom styling based on the ID. So I won't actually put any extra things here. I'm just going to put hello world. And then div, a full screen. Okay, I'm going to actually Google it now. No, it's fine. I'll do that later. I can, as an improvement. Full screen. And then the ref should be something like 24.10.02/hello world.html. Something like that. And now I'm just going to open in Google Chrome index.html. Okay, there we go. If I click full screen, there's no file yet. That's great, but I like the structure. So I create a directory and I make that hello world. Great. Okay, so that being done, let's now make that directory to 24.10.02. Okay. Now let's call it hello world. Touch hello world .html. Okay, now if I refresh it, I put it in the wrong folder. Move hello world into 2024.10.2. Good. Okay. Hello world. Vim 24.10.2 hello world. And now I want to have the same index. Doc type lang p1 HTML. I'm not going to bother with the head for now, and it's the same as the preview. I'm not going to have the full screen. And that's that. Great. So now if I click there, the general idea here is that I have within here a particular style, and that this is the same, and this would be like centered. Okay, so I'm going to while I'm recording, can I do, yes I can, selection window. Okay, let's go auto. Desktop. Let's now go with screenshots. Essentially all of that. That's not relevant right now. I'm just going to go back to here. Oops, that's not what I wanted. 5. Okay. Now I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. That's what I want. Drag that in. Okay. How can I center this and style it with a nice display font from Google Font? Okay. Allow. So the idea here is that it's nice and centered. It's just text. It's full screen. Let's do lobster. Yeah, lobster is nice. I like that. We're going to put it in the head of my HTML. Head. Good. Now let's do the style as well. Viewport, meta, title, hello world. I like that. Okay. Lobsters, display swap, my CSS. Okay, cool. That's what I want. That's fine. Okay. Margin 0 flex, lobster cursive, H1. Okay. Now the question will be, how do I make it look the same within its container? That might be something where I want to... Oh, that's beautiful. That's what I want. Hello world. Now, let's give it some nice color. Let's give the text and background some pleasing color. Okay. Soft lavender, good. And then H1. Oh, interesting. I like the sound of this. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh my god, that's okay. Cool. Now I want to put this inside here. That's what the remaining 45 minutes is. Okay. Let us now Let's see what ChatGPT can do. Okay. I now want to style the hello world within the card on the main page in the exact same way without affecting other cards. The ID of the containing div is 2024 10/02, so we should use CSS classes that include that ID in the styles that only affect children nodes of that ID. Let's also add the same ID div to the full screen page. Okay. I think that's straightforward. To style the hello world text, okay, so there's a div with a hello full screen similar structure. Great. So I'm guessing this is within. Okay, what I want to do is actually have an external CSS file. Actually, what I'm going to do. Can we have an external CSS file that is used in both pages but correctly modifies the styling behavior based on whether it is in an article or not? The article tag is what is used for each card. Okay, so this is the external styles. I want to, let's first test this. That's what I want. Why is the style size? Did it say that it was different? There we go. H1, H2. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. It's like a preview mode. So let us then put this into an extra file. 24, no, 24, 10, 02, and then I'll call that styles CSS. Good. ls1, and then update for the main page on which each card is an article. It's div, and then I'm going to actually I'm going to do that. I'm going to go boom, boom. That's what I want. Wait, that's what I want. Style sheet. And then let's see if that actually looks good. Why is that link not working? Okay, so that's not working. Do I not save it properly? Styles. Right, I didn't update the div. body. Maybe I can make this into 2024 10:02. Maybe that would work. No, it didn't work. Why do I need that? Why does it have to be div? H1. I would have expected that to work. I would have expected that to work. No article tag. Okay, fine. I'm just going to delete that whole thing and copy and paste the whole thing in here. Let's see if that works. No, still a problem. Network. Okay, so it did find it. Response. Yeah, I found it. It's just not working. Elements. Did it not work? Head. Styles. 2024. H1. What is happening? Body. Div. 2024 10:2. I wish there was some way of like debugging CSS. Maybe there is. So I have a link rel, style sheet, style CSS. Network. Styles. Looks great. 2024 10:02. Why? Sources, network. I feel like something's missing. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working, even though I'm just going to delete everything here. I'm just going to go simply to H2, and then font size 50 view height. H1. Okay, so it's loading. I guess it just wasn't loading. This wasn't matching then. 2024 10:02. And then I guess one thing I could try is this. I feel like no. Okay. What is happening? I thought this would have worked. CSS by ID. Let's try it by class instead. Right? Because, I mean, ID is not actually very good for this. P1 class. Okay, let's try some other things. 3. 2024, 10, 2. Maybe it's the minuses. Is the hyphen character safe in the CSS ID? Weird. Okay. No, that's fine. I believe you. Doesn't seem to be working. Let's debug it. Background color is black. Let's just make it purple. Purple. Okay. Class 2024 1002. CSS class. Maybe we're just using it wrong. Dot. I feel like selects as a descendant. Okay. The parent is a div. This is what I was thinking. It'd be like more restrictive. And that is what I was hoping. But it's so weird. Okay, let's try a couple of things. Body. Okay, that works. Body div. Okay, that works. Div 2020. Wait, is it class? Yeah, class. Dot 2024 1002. Weird. Why? Maybe I'm doing it wrong on the class is equal to class is equal to. It seems. Let us try. Maybe ChatGPT is just wrong. Sometimes it is. Maybe it can't be a number. A. Oh no, that doesn't look good. It's because it's starting with a number. I don't think it can start with a digit. Okay, so ChatGPT got CSS wrong. I'm not surprised. Let's say, let's call it date. Okay, so date 2024. 1002. And let's now take that. Maybe I can also just bump that up to the body. Let's see if that works. Okay, now go to the styles. Date 2024 10/2. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. Date. 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 Beautiful. Weirdly, it's filling the whole thing. I think that has to do with the body. So maybe let's go back here and go div class equals date 24/10/02. Let's get rid of that. Div. Let's see what that looks like. Ah, weird. It's actually not any better. It's fine. It is fine. Now, let us now look at apply it here. Okay. Ah. What was I looking at? Okay, whatever. Open Mosaic Google Chrome index.html. Okay. Now I want to apply the same concept to where I use style sheet. I go 2024 10/02 styles.css. And then I have hello world article h1. What's this one? Article div. Fine, let's put it in the div as well. Let's make it a paragraph. Hello world, and we're going to make it h2. I'm going to make this date. Ah, they've got articles. So it doesn't even work there. Ah. Date 2024 10. I've been using these as like tags, but I realize now that that wouldn't work for CSS styling. But let's see how this looks. I realize I haven't got the font loading. Okay. Can I load the Google font from within styles.css? Or does it need to be an externally loaded import? Cool. Yeah, let's try that. Import. Oh wait, what is it? B3. B1. Let's get rid of that. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm happy with that. But how do I make it better? Oh my god, I broke it. 5. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and get some ideas. Upload file. It's looking great. But I have 20 plus more minutes in this project. How can I make this even better? Hover effects. Oh my god. That wouldn't work though. That wouldn't work, would it? Can you use CSS animations across pages? I guess when it loads. Right, it's when the screen loads. And I would want all the CSS. Okay, lots of things. Just for clarification, I am using the CSS class date 2024 10/02, not a CSS ID like ID 2024 10/02. Okay. You don't need to remember that. Okay, let's have a look. Hover. Sure, let's play around with the hover. E, what is that? B3. And it's really just date. This would do the whole thing though. That's not what I want. That's not what I want at all. I don't even know if I want that on the button itself. Because the edges, the corners, yuck. No, I don't like that. Nope. Bad suggestion. Next, transition. I'm gonna have to change this as well. Fade in. Oh wait. Body. No, not body. I want date 2024 10/02. H1. No, I'm just gonna put it on the H1. H2. Let's try that. I don't like that. That's so ugly. I feel like it's just tacky because there's too much. I'm not. I don't like this. Improved typography. Yours is a great font in the headline. Enhance readability for the rest of the text. No, there is no other text. Make the full screen link more appealing. Icon. Yeah, let's do that. What is a good Unicode character to use as an icon for full screen? I want to use a Unicode character that my font renders. Oh yeah, square with diagonal corners. I like that. So then let's go to here, I think. And then let's get rid of those. Bloop. Okay, I like it. It's fun. It's nice and simple actually. And I want to put it in the top right or the bottom right. I've replaced full screen with how do I move this to the bottom right of the card? I always wonder how much you can actually see. The position on the bottom of the card, you see it says absolute position within the parent character container. Full screen link, position absolute. That sounds like a nightmare to me. Relative positioning. This seems like it's going to go horribly wrong because the positioning is very much supposed to be part of the grid layout. Let's try it, but I have a feeling it's going to go horribly wrong. No. Let's make it instead. Let's make it full screen. Let's actually see. Inspect. Looking at. Yeah, so I could just make it text line right. Let's try that. Let's make this wider so I can see what it looks like. Text align right. That's what I want. That's what I want. It doesn't need to be fancy. I feel like ChatGPT often just tries a bit too hard. Right. That does what I want. I would even say text decoration. None. No, that didn't do it. Underline? What is it called? Underline. No. I thought it was text decoration. Maybe. Weird. Remove underline from hyperlink. This was like the cool thing to do when I was a kid. No. Remove in CSS. Text decoration, none. That's what I thought. I'm doing the P. That's not what I want to do. I want to change the A. Text decoration, none. There you go. That's good. That's what I want. Okay. So, class angle bracket P, text align. Class angle bracket P, angle bracket A. Okay. So let's go to 3. 3. Do I still want that fade in? No. Date 2024 10:02 P. Text align right. Date 2024 10:02 P A. Text decoration none. Let's see how that looks. Good. Beautiful. I think it's good. Now, roughly 10 minutes left. This is when I want to start deploying. This is where I might have problems. I gotta change the colors. I gotta change the colors. It was by now it's by itself. I don't like the colors. Are there any that are more fitting with the blog theme? Oh my god. Blues and white tones. That's good. It's amazing. Like a year ago, I would have been like, can't read, can't see the stuff. Okay, light pale blue, deep blue for text. No. Not the same colors, but colors that might contrast without clashing. Maybe orange. Please apply good color theory. I don't know. I'm gonna ask it to do that hard part. Yes, exactly. Good. I just realized that the card background is not quite the same. That's fine. Cursive, navy blue. What the fuck is happening? Oh shit, it's using the wrong thing. No, okay. Cat this into BB copy. Here is the current CSS. Based on goals, here's an updated. Good. That's what I wanted. Now in theory I could actually just copy and paste the whole thing. Let's see if this works. Good. This should just work if it's smart enough. Okay, that's fine. Oops. Run. Back. Nice. Nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. I'm going to leave it as it is. Hello world. Okay, one thing is, it's not centered. I don't like that. Okay, so let's put it centered. Can you center it? No, no. Maybe I can just put this. Okay, I'm running out of time. I'm going to deploy soon. I'm going to put this on the actual file itself. Style. Style. Boom. Boom. Let's see if this works. Yeah, good. Okay, and then we go back here. It's not the same. Okay, it's good enough. The preview is not supposed to be identical. I'm not very happy with how different they are, but you know, I haven't even tried to start uploading yet, and if I have any problems, I'm gonna have big problems. So let's get status it, get add minus a, get commit, add hello world project. Okay. Add hello world project. This is exactly why I wanted to start this sooner. Get commit failed to sign the data. What? I can't remember how I solved this in the past. I'm so tired now as well. I do. Probably have to. Okay. I'm going to start a separate window and I'm going to take it to a different screen that you can't see. GPG list secret keys. They all expire next year. They all expire next year. get config list global user dot signing key. No. Yeah. Get config get global get user dot signing key. That looks valid. Oh, it's the wrong key. Get config local get user dot signing key. Signing key. No. Get config local set user dot signing key. But that, no, that's not right. Set add. Why did that not work before? Okay, ensure it's running. GPG conf kill GPG agent. GPG conf. Oh my god, I'm running out of time. Launch GPG agent. Okay. Did I just not do the S? Minus S. What the fuck? Oh. Two minutes. Get config global commit GPG sign false. Get commit minus M. Okay, get push. Okay. That's not good. What is up with my git? Okay, now I want to have a look at mattherd.net. Okay. It should be launched in, I'll say, the next 2 minutes. I'm in no rush, so I mean I could just go to Netlify and check the build process. Yeah, see, there it is. Beautiful. Hello world. Nice, it worked. Ah, that was good. 1 hour. The idea here is that I now have basically a rough framework for creating a card with an experiment inside of it. I'm gonna have to like maybe do something that fills more of the space. I also don't like that the background is not the same here. Like this background here is different color than there. It's basically the CSS styling from the body is infecting the card. I was thinking about web components as a way to really have strong modularity, but I wanted to keep it simple. It's just simple CSS. And I don't like the spacing differences between this edge and that edge. Always improving, right? Okay. Thank you. I'll see you later.